Hello friends, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Angel Chemistry. Today we are here with chapter 2 is matter around us pure, class 9th. We will discuss here matter and solution, the introductory part of matter and solution. So here we go. Here you can see the classification of matter. First of all, let us start with matter once again. Matter is anything which has certain mass and occupies space is called matter. ऐसी कोई भी चीज जिसका अपना मास है और जो स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई करता है उसको हम लोग क्या कहेंगे? मैटर. The matter is classified into two categories. First one, pure substances. Another one is the mixtures. तो इनका डेफिनेशन देखते हैं थोड़ा. व्हाट आर प्योर सब्सटेंसेस? प्योर सब्सटेंसेस सिंगल काइंड ऑफ मैटर मेड अप ऑफ ओनली वन टाइप ऑफ एटम और मॉलिक्यूल हैव अ फिक्स्ड composition. So there are 2-3 things are there. Pure substances means they are completely pure, means they will have only one type of particle in them. प्योर सब्सटेंस जो है वो एक ही तरह के एक ही जैसे पार्टिकल से मिलके बने होते हैं. फर्स्ट थिंग. अनदर थिंग, दैट पार्टिकल मे बी एटम, इट मे बी मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑल्सो, बट ऑल द एटम्स एंड मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ अ प्योर सब्सटेंसेस शुड बी सेम. वो सेम ही होने चाहिए. एंड अनदर इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज व्हाट? दे विल हैव अ फिक्स्ड कंपोजिशन. उनका कंपोजिशन कैसा होगा? फिक्स्ड होगा. नेक्स्ट इज द मिक्सचर. सो व्हाट अबाउट अ मिक्सचर? अ मिक्सचर इज मेड अप ऑफ टू डिफरेंट सब्सटेंसेस दैट आर नॉट केमिकली जॉइंट एंड हैव अ वेरिएबल कंपोजिशन. मिक्सचर की अगर बात करें तो दो ऐसे सब्सटेंस जिनको सिंप्लीफाई मिक्सिंग से बनाया गया है वो केमिकली जॉइंट नहीं होते हैं और उनका कंपोजिशन भी फिक्स्ड नहीं होता. मीन्स दे विल हैव अ वेरिएबल कंपोजिशन. सो सच टाइप ऑफ सब्सटेंसेस मैटर इज कॉल्ड एज अ मिक्सचर. मिक्सचर और प्योर सब्सटेंस में एक और इम्पॉर्टेंट डिफरेंस है. प्योर सब्सटेंसेस कैन नॉट बी सेपरेटेड बाय फिजिकल प्रोसेसेस, while the mixtures can be separated by the physical processes. Further, the pure substances are classified into elements and compounds. So what are elements? As element is a part of it, is a type of pure substance, so definitely it will have all the similar types of particles, same types of particle, but these particles are atoms. तो पार्टिकल कैसे होते हैं? एटम्स होते हैं. सो such combination is called as a element. One type of atoms are present, means the substance is pure and the particles will be atom. Next is the compound. It is another type of pure substance which will be made up of 2+ different atoms bonded together. Okay, so elements और compounds को अगर हम थोड़ा सा compare करें, the elements will have only one type of particle, but if we talk about this compound, the compounds will have more than one type of atoms and they are combined together in a fixed ratio. हम बाद में और भी एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. Now come back to mixtures again. The mixture is of two types. First one is the homogeneous mixture. Another one is the heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture means a mixture so well mixed you cannot see the different parts. Its meaning is ऐसा mixture जो बहुत ही अच्छी तरह completely मिक्स्ड हो चुका है, both the components or more than two components which are mixed completely and we cannot see their parts, we cannot see different components of the mixture. Such mixture is called as homogeneous mixture. While if you talk about heterogeneous mixture, a mixture where you can see different parts, उसके parts भी अलग अलग visible होंगे and they are not completely mixed with each other. The components of heterogeneous mixtures are not completely mixed with each other completely. Clear? Now see this slide again. It is same like the previous one. The matter is classified into pure substances and mixture. The what main difference is what? Mixtures can be separated by physical means. This we have studied already. And here the pure substances cannot be separated by physical methods. Pure substances again classified into elements and compounds. So here we can see the example also. What about the element? We have discussed it has been made up of only one type of particle. You can see oxygen and carbon. All the oxygen atoms, or we can say the element oxygen is containing only one type of atoms, that is the atoms of oxygen. But if we talk about this carbon, the carbon element is made up of only carbon atoms. Next, about the compound, I told you the compound contains more than one type of atoms which are chemically bonded together in a fixed ratio. So here we have an example, water. The formula is H2O. So here we can see we have two types of atoms here. First one is the hydrogen atom, another one is oxygen atom. So these two types of atoms are present in water, and the ratio of these two atoms is fixed here. So if you talk about how many atoms of hydrogen is present here, two atoms, oxygen atom, one atom. So they are combining together in a fixed ratio also. Another example is also here, salt, table salt, common salt. The formula is NaCl. So you can see sodium atom and chlorine atom. Two atoms are here which are combining together. Mixtures. Mixtures is classified into two categories, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture means a mixture which is uniform throughout. ऐसा mixture है जो completely उसका composition कैसा है, सेम है, यूनिफॉर्म है. और यूनिफॉर्म नहीं होगा तो ऐसे मिक्सचर को हम लोग कहेंगे हेटेरोजेनस मिक्सचर. होमोजेनस मिक्सचर, इसका एग्जांपल है सॉल्यूशंस. व्हाट इज अ सॉल्यूशन? सॉल्यूशन इज अ होमोजेनस मिक्सचर ऑफ टू और मोर कंपोनेंट्स. मेनली टू कंपोनेंट्स की ही बात की जाती है. Salt dissolved in water. This is the example given here. Salt in water. And another example, atmospheric air. So if you can see, हम बात करें अगर salt in water की, if salt is dissolved in water completely, from top to bottom it will have the same composition. Clear? The same way, अगर एटमॉस्फेरिक एयर का हम लोग कंपोजिशन फाइंड आउट करें, द कंपोजिशन विल बी सेम. किसी भी एक कॉर्नर का अगर आप लोग एयर उठा लें जनरली, है ना, तो कंपोजिशन कैसा होगा उसका, सेम ही होगा. हेटेरोजेनस मिक्सचर एग्जांपल चॉकलेट, चिप्स, कुकीज, और भी एग्जांपल मैं ऐड कर दूं इसमें, फ्रूट सैलेड, है ना. So these are what the example of heterogeneous mixture. उसके अलग अलग components visible भी होते हैं and they can be separated easily also. One more example is given here, soil. The soil has different types of components and it is non-uniform in nature. Let us talk about homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture once again. इनके बारे में थोड़ा सा और डीपली स्टडी करते हैं. So let us discuss about homogeneous and heterogeneous types of mixtures. Homogeneous mixture is a mixture one that contains only one type of a compound or element. We have studied homogeneous mixture is uniform in nature. So if we consider this purple ball as one type of substance and this green ball as second type of substance, so if we found here, you can see I made two lines, 2-3 layers here in this type of mixture. In all the lines you will get 2 purple balls and 2 green balls. You can check anywhere in these different layers. So what it shows, the composition of homogeneous mixture is same throughout, while you can see this side, these balls are randomly distributed. Means the composition is different in first layer, it is different in second layer, it is different in third layer. Means it is non-uniform in nature. Same slide once again. A heterogeneous mixture is made of different substances that remain physically separated. You can get a layer also here. Separation you can see, but there is no separation here in homogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture में separation clearly visible होता है. In detail, homogeneous mixture, the composition is uniform, but in heterogeneous the composition is non-uniform in nature. Another one is the substances are completely mixed with each other, but in case of heterogeneous mixture the substances remain separated. You can see they are mixed together, here they are separated. Next is there is no visible boundary of separation. मैंने पहले ही डिस्कस कर दिया है, यहाँ कोई विजिबिलिटी नहीं होती है, कोई बाउंड्री नहीं है कि आप लोग कोई बाउंड्री जज कर सकें कि एक पार्टिकल कहाँ से शुरू हो रहा है, दूसरा कहाँ खत्म हो रहा है. बट इन केस ऑफ हेटेरोजेनस मिक्सचर वी कैन सी द बाउंड्री ऑफ सेपरेशन. यहाँ पे थोड़ा गैप आ गया है ना, विजिबिलिटी होती है. इसका सिंपल सा एग्जांपल अगर हम लोग बात करें, सैंड इन वाटर, इट इज हेटेरोजेनस इन नेचर. सो यू कैन सी द सैंड इज सेटल्ड डाउन. ओके, सो वाटर इज above and below that we have sand at the bottom. So completely separation nazar aata hai. This is the meaning of this slide. All homogeneous mixtures are called solutions, all suspension and colloid. So here we have two new terms, suspension and colloid. इसके बारे में इसी चैप्टर में हम लोग नेक्स्ट बात करेंगे. सो अभी के लिए इसको थोड़ा यहाँ छोड़ते हैं. कीप इन माइंड solutions are homogeneous while suspension and colloids are heterogeneous. There are three categories of solution based on the types of particle. First is true solution, another one is the suspension, third is the colloid. So true solution comes in homogeneous while the colloid and suspension comes under heterogeneous mixture. Examples are given here. Sugar solution, salt solution, these are two solutions. These are the example of homogeneous solution. Soap solution, this comes under colloid. And suspension, chalk and water. Suspension के पार्टिकल थोड़े से बड़े होते हैं ट्रू सॉल्यूशन के पार्टिकल सबसे छोटे होते हैं, उससे बड़े साइज के पार्टिकल होंगे कॉलॉइड में, और सबसे बड़े साइज के पार्टिकल होते हैं सस्पेंशन। क्लियर? नाउ इफ वी टॉक अबाउट अ solution is homogeneous mixture that combines a solute and a solvent। अभी थोड़ी देर पहले हमने बात की थी, सॉल्यूशंस है वो किस टाइप के मिक्सचर की कैटेगरी में आते हैं, होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर्स की कैटेगरी में आते हैं। सो ऑल द सॉल्यूशंस आर होमोजेनियस इन नेचर, और उसके कंपोनेंट्स क्या क्या होते हैं? फर्स्ट इज द सॉल्यूट, अनदर वन इज द सॉल्वेंट। सॉल्यूट एंड सॉल्वेंट की बात की जा रही है। सो वी हैव टू नो व्हाट अबाउट द सॉल्यूट, व्हाट इज सॉल्वेंट। सो यू कैन सी द सॉलिड पार्ट that gets dissolved, so it may be solid, liquid, gas also, but for your class it is better to know we have two things, solute and solvent। so solution बनाने के लिए जिसका solution बनाना है, the thing, the substance which will be dissolved is called solute। example, salt and sugar। if we are preparing सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन मीन्स क्या करेंगे, हम सॉल्ट को पानी में डिसॉल्व करेंगे, वाटर में डिसॉल्व करेंगे, तो सॉल्ट क्या हो गया यहाँ पे? सॉल्यूट। व्हाट अबाउट द सॉल्वेंट? जिसमें सॉल्यूशन बनाना है, द सब्सटेंस इन विच द सॉल्यूशन विल बी प्रिपेयर्ड इज कॉल्ड सॉल्वेंट। आई टोल्ड यू वाटर, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट अ सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन, शुगर सॉल्यूशन, salt and sugar are solute while the water will be solvent। so how these are made? Because these are homogeneous mixture, they can be made simply by the mixing। we are taking solute, salt and sugar, and we are mixing it into water। clear? so simply mix करने से हमको क्या मिलेगा? solution prepare हो जाएगा, and we have to shake it well because it is uniform in nature। how to make a solution? थोड़ी देर पहले ही बात की है, solute plus solvent gives us solution। so this is solid part which is a salt as a solute, solvent is water, we are adding solute into solvent to get salt solution। you can see salt solution here। next is the sugar solution। if we talk about the solute will be sugar, the solvent is water here, nothing much we are doing here, we are simply putting sugar into water and we are dissolving it well, completely उसको dissolve करना ही है to make the solution homogeneous in nature, and you will get sugar solution here। let us discuss about the types of solution। the first category is unsaturated solution, which says that more solute dissolves। the definition is unsaturated solution is a solution in which more solute can be dissolved at a given temperature। it means is what? if we are making a salt solution or sugar solution, so take 3/4 part of a glass completely filled with water, only 3/4 part we will take water in that, and we are trying to add 1 teaspoon of sugar or salt। so what will happen? it will be completely dissolved। so once it is dissolved at a room temperature, if we try to add 1 more teaspoon of sugar or salt, it will be dissolved। so what happens? the solutions in which we can add more solute, the solute can be added further, such type of solution is called as unsaturated solution, comes under category 1। next is the saturated solution। the definition says the solution containing the maximum amount of solute that will be dissolved at a given temperature. Means if we talk about this saturated solution, no more solute can be added. एक कंडीशन ऐसा आएगा कि हम और ज़्यादा सॉल्यूट उसमें डिजोल्व नहीं कर सकते हैं. सो ऐसी कंडीशन से बनने वाले सॉल्यूशन को हम क्या कहेंगे? सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन, वेयर नो मोर सॉल्यूट कैन बी एडेड. एंड द थर्ड कैटेगरी इज दिस super saturated solution is a solution that contains more solute than would dissolve in a saturated solution at a given temperature. कि अब सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन आपने बना दिया, उसके बावजूद भी आप और सॉल्यूट डाल रहे हैं, देन व्हाट हैपेंस? द क्रिस्टलाइजेशन विल बी टेकन प्लेस, और ऐसे सॉल्यूशन को हम लोग क्या कहेंगे? सुपर सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन. Clear? One more definition of saturated solution: a solution that contains a maximum amount of dissolved solute at a given temperature. Means we cannot add further more solute in the solution here. So you can see this is the slide showing saturated solution. Let's talk about the another type of solutions based on the solute and solvent particles. What type of physical state they have? So we have first type here, solid solutions. Most common are alloy, a mixture of two or more metals. Means solute and solvent both are metal. So such mixing, homogeneous mixing, will give us an alloy, and the alloy comes under category first solid solutions. The second one is gaseous solution. All mixtures of gases are solution because they can all diffuse through each other. Example, air. If we talk about air, the air has uniform composition, and the air particles, the air gases will be completely mixed with each other with uniformity. So this will comes under category 2, gaseous solution. The third is liquid solution. Both solvent and solute are liquid. I told you it is based on the types of physical state of solute and solvent. So if it is same, both are solid, it will comes under solid solution. If both are gases, will come under gaseous solution, and the both are liquid will come under category 3, liquid solution. Example, two miscible liquids and immiscible liquid. But keep in mind, the immiscible liquid does not form homogeneous mixture. So this we have to remove here. The answer is only miscible liquids. So if we talk about miscible liquid, we can take an example of milk in water. Milk with water. Fourth one is the aqueous solution. Aqueous solution means only the solvent part will be water. अगर solvent water है तो हम ऐसे solution को बोलेंगे aqueous solution. आज की स्लाइड में इतना ही. आगे के टॉपिक्स को क्लियर करने के लिए बने रहिए हमारे साथ. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. वीडियो को लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, शेयर करें. थैंक यू.